So, good morning all, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So, now still Mohanavamshi, Gopasri, Ramyasri, Chintu, Lakshmipriya, Jyoti, Tapsum, Lakshman Nayak, Ambika, Dhruvamsh, Bhuvana, Swati Singh, Gopasri, Jitendra, Rajkumar, Sheikh Semma, Sahit, Deepti, Ravali, Vishnu, Sanjeev Kumar, Muhammad Yusuf, Lavanya, Rohit Reddy. Okay, still joining. Sunita, Sanjay Rani, Rakesh. Good morning all. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Khadhar, Sumant, Srikant. Okay. Chandu, very good morning. Basha, Jitendra. Okay. Okay, thank you, Anadal. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So, yesterday we have completed up to 41 questions. Today my plan will be like this. So, rest of the problems in inverse trigonometric functions we shall complete. Then we shall move to the hyperbolic functions. There is hyperbolic functions also. So, completed in this stipulated time. Okay, Dhruvamsh, I could remember that probability and matrices also. Okay, no problem. The most of the syllabus will be completed. Don't worry. Okay. So, thank you. So, let us start the problem. So, inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. 41. The value of tan of cos inverse root 5 by 3 equals to, this is the question. Kulli Salvan Nash, actually you have the newcomer today. You are the newcomer. First one, 3 plus root 5 upon 2, 3 plus root 5. Third option, 3 minus root 5 by 2. Fourth option, 2 minus root 3. Okay, Gangadhar, you are also new. Okay, Sushila, welcome Sushila. Okay. Next, the value of tan of cos inverse root 5 by 3. Sir, 1080 Ramu, sir, please can you start the classes for diploma students also? So, I am thinking actually you better chat personally WhatsApp group, I will discuss. Okay, thank you. Right. So, now let us say this cos inverse root 5 by 3 is equal to theta, that is tan of theta by 2 we need to find out. So, as we know the cos theta value, the tan theta by 2 is equal to, we have the formula like this, tan of theta by 2 equals to, so 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta root. This is the plan. So, this formula need to be applied to solve this question. So, now let us proceed for the solution. Let us consider this cos inverse root 5 by 3 equals to theta. That implies cos theta is equal to root 5 by 3. So, that means we know the value of cos theta. Now, the given expression becomes given expression, this becomes given expression tan of into theta, tan theta by 2. So, we need to apply this formula now. So, this equals to 1 minus cos theta value is root 5 by 3, root 5 by 3 upon 1 plus root 5 by 3 root over root over. So, now this can be simplified, 3 minus root 5, am I correct now? 3 is the LCM, this will be 3 plus root 5, this is under root. Now, let us rationalize the denominator with 3 minus root 5. So, 3 minus root 5 into 3 minus root 5, okay, by 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5, okay, this is the square root. So, now this equals to 3 minus root 5 into 3 minus root 5, 3 minus root 5 whole square, we can write, this is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that will be 9 minus 5. So, this is under root. This will be root, this is square under root. So, this equals to 3 minus root 5 by 9 minus 5 is 4, square root of 9 minus 4 is 2, 3 minus root 5 by 2. So, that means here third option is the right option. So, ready Lokesh, what is that symbol? Okay. 42 tan inverse x. So, next tan inverse y, tan inverse z, or in arithmetic progression, then 2y upon 1 minus y square equals to, first option x minus z upon 1 plus x z, second option x plus z upon 1 minus x z, third option x plus z, fourth option x y. So, this is the question. Okay, now it's clear sound. Now it's clear. Okay. 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 So now tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z are in arithmetic progression, then we need to find 2y by 1 minus y square value. So that means, for example, A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then B is the arithmetic mean between A and C, or we can write like this, 2B equals to A plus C we can write. That means actually here this is say A, this is B, this is C. Substituting respective AB values, here we get 2 tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus tan inverse z. See, we have one important formula already we have studied. Let me repeat once again for the benefit of the late viewers. The 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So now this 2 tan inverse y can be written as tan inverse of 2y by 1 minus y square, whereas this tan inverse x plus tan inverse z we can write tan inverse of x plus z upon 1 minus x z. So now we can do one thing here, this 2y by 1 minus y square, x plus z by 1 minus x z are equal. So that means now we get this 2y by 1 minus y square is equal to x plus z by 1 minus x z. So this is the our required answer. So that means second option is the right option. Okay. So little bit still actually I need one more spectacles. It's now coping up. It's temporary only. So 43rd problem, 43. Dhruvansh, actually you remind me at the end of the class, I will give my number. Just you send a WhatsApp message, then I will add you. Don't worry. Right, 43. Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals to pi by 4. Then x is equal to, first option is 1 by 2, second option is 1 by 4, third option is 1 by 6, fourth option is 6. This is the question. Okay. So now tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. So that means we need to apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, that is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, and equated to we have pi by 4. So then we can find out a quadratic equation in x. You need to solve that quadratic equation so that we get the value of x. So let us proceed now solution. So this can be written using this formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So this we need to remember. So now the solution follows. This can be written. So this can be written tan inverse of 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 2x into 3x is 6x square equals to pi by 4. So this implies we can write 3x plus 2x is 5x, 5x by 1 minus 6x square equals to tan pi by 4. All these steps directly we can write it, but for the sake of you I need to write all these steps. So this equals to tan 45 is 1. Now the cross multiplication takes place. So 5x equals to 1 minus 6x square. Am I correct now? So this can be written 6x square minus 5x minus 1 equals to 0. Just we need to solve the quadratic equation. So that means this middle term we need to split as 6x square minus 6x plus x. So minus 1 equals to 0. 6x is common, we have x minus 1, plus 1 is common, we have x minus 1 equals to 0. Then x minus 1 is common, we have 6x okay, right, 6x plus 1. Wait, now I will check it now. Yes, exactly, this is plus 5x, this is plus 6x and minus, wait now. So now the 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equals to 0. So this can be written 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 equals to 0. 6x common, we have x plus 1, minus 1 common, we have x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 common, we have 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we get two cases, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have x is equal to 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is given. So third option is the right option. Right. Deepak, just now you joined. If you want to skip, you can skip. Don't worry. Forty-four. Cot inverse 1 minus x square by 2x plus cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. equals to 2 pi by 3. X greater than 0, x does not equal to 1, then x equals to, first option 1 by root 2, second option plus or minus 1 by root 2, third option is plus or minus 1 by root 3, fourth option is 1 by root 3. So now the cot inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x plus cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equal to 2 pi by 3, and providing these conditions, then we need to find out the x value. The first, actually we need to change this cot inverse of, using this, the first plan, cot inverse of 1 by x, or we can say cot inverse x is equal to, we can write tan inverse 1 by x. This formula already we have studied. So first step, we need to change this one. Now. Now the solution becomes like this. The cot inverse of 1 minus x square by 2x can be written tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Don't change it, already it is in standard form. So equals to 2 pi by 3. So already we have studied, this is equal to 2 tan inverse x, this is also equals to 2 tan inverse x. So that means 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x equal to 2 pi by 3. That means 4 tan inverse x equal to 2 pi by 3. So let us find out tan inverse x value now. First, the value of tan inverse x equals to 2 pi by 3 by 4, that means 2 pi by 3 into 1 by 4, that's equal to pi by 6. Am I correct now? So x is equal to tan pi by 6, that means tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So fourth option is the right option. Yes, actually Chintu, you better put in 360 or 480, because actually during this period I think even YouTube also might have decreased the network, I think so. Okay Lokesh, thank you. Okay, so whatever books are available with me, that I am following, because during this period I won't get the books from outside. Okay, so whatever it may be, it will be useful to you. Am I correct or not? $45. Okay. Why not? You can follow. Sreyana Rasakonda. Good morning. So cot inverse of 1 minus sin x root over plus 1 minus sin x root over upon 1 minus sin x root over plus minus root of 1 plus sin x. So equals to First option pi minus x by 2, second option pi plus x by 2, third option is x by 2, fourth option is 2 pi minus x by 2. So, this is the question. So, now let me read the question. Cot inverse of root of 1 minus sin x plus root of 1 plus sin x upon root of 1 minus sin x minus root of 1 plus sin x. See, first let us simplify these two values. See, root of 1 plus sin x equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Whereas root of 1 minus sin x equal to cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. For example, say equation 1 and equation 2. First, let us say this value is numerator, this value is numerator, say this value is denominator now. So, let us find out numerator now. Let us simplify numerator. So, both we need to add. If we add this gets cancelled, we have 2 cos x by 2. So, now the denominator means subtract 1 from 2. If you subtract 1 from 2, what do you get now? So, now here minus 2 sin x by 2, minus 2 sin x by 2. So, now the numerator by denominator is equal to 2 gets cancelled, minus cot x by 2. Now, the given expression becomes cot inverse of minus cot x by 2. So, cot inverse of minus cot x we can write, cot inverse of minus x is pi minus cot inverse cot x by 2. So, cot inverse of cot x by 2 is, so this x by 2, pi minus x by 2. So, that means first option is the right option. So, here root of 1 plus sin x is equal to cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2. In multiple submultiple angles we have discussed. So, next root of 1 minus sin x is equal to cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Numerator means, so adding 1 and 2 you get numerator. So, that is 2 cos of x by 2, because sin x by 2 cancel. Denominator is root of 1 minus sin x minus root of 1 plus sin x. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Cos x by 2 cancel, we have minus 2 sin x by 2. Now, numerator by denominator becomes 2 cos x by 2 by minus 2 of sin x by 2. 2 gets cancelled, minus cot of x by 2. Just I have substituted here minus cot of x by 2. We have one formula, cot inverse of here minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x, this formula. Using this formula, this is written as pi minus cot inverse cot of x by 2. So, x by 2, pi minus x by 2. Okay. Forty-sixth problem. Tan of tan inverse of 1 by a plus b plus tan inverse of b by a square plus ab plus 1. This is the question. Okay. First option A, second option 1 by a, third option is B, fourth option is 1 by B. So, this is the question. So, tan inverse 1 by a plus b, tan inverse of b by a square plus ab plus 1. Okay, let us do it now. So, first let us make a plan like this. 1 plus a square plus ab can be written as 1 plus a common a into a plus b. Now, just let us think. So, with the help of the a and a plus b, how do you get b? Yes, b can be written as here a plus b minus a. So, now let us apply this plan. So, first let us find out this value now. So, tan inverse 1 by a plus b plus, now tan inverse of this b is replaced by a plus b minus a plus b minus a, and 1 plus a square plus ab can be written as a into a plus b or a plus b into a. Now, how does it appear? If you say this is x, this is y, so this will be tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, whose value equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Okay. So, that means now this is equal to tan inverse of 1 by a plus b, we can write no problem cot inverse of a plus b. So, plus this can be written as tan inverse a plus b minus tan inverse a, we can write. So, if you see this one, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, that is pi by 2. So, pi by 2 minus tan inverse a. So, now it has been simplified as pi by 2 minus tan inverse a. So, let us find out now given expression. So, the given expression is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus tan inverse a. Tan 90 minus a is equal to cot a, cot of tan inverse a. This tan inverse a we can write as a reciprocal of cot inverse 1 by a. So, this equal to 1 by a. So, that means second option is the right option. How do we get cot? Where? Yes, tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse x. Here tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse x. So, this tan inverse of 1 by a plus b, I have written cot inverse of a plus b. So, this is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, tan inverse of a plus b minus tan inverse of a. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2 minus tan inverse a. Just in the place of this one, the pi by 2 minus tan inverse a written. Tan of 90 degrees minus a is cot a, cot of tan inverse a. Again this tan inverse A can be written cot inverse 1 by A. Cot of cot inverse 1 by A is 1 by A. Okay. Forty-seven. Okay, I will check Surya Prakash. Sir, in previous problem, how minus 2 sin x by 2? In the denominator? Okay. I will come to that problem later. Don't worry. Last. Tan of pi by 4 plus of cos inverse A by B plus tan of pi by 4 minus of cos inverse A by B equals to, first option is B by A, second option A by B, third option 2A by B, fourth option is 2B by A. This is the question. Okay. Tan of pi by 4 plus of cos inverse A by B plus tan of pi by 4 minus of cos inverse of A by B. So, that means first of all let us say this cos inverse of A by B is equal to theta. So, now we have a tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Next this is equal to, we can write 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2. Simple tan of A plus B formula. This becomes tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. This will be 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2. Okay. So, now solution, the given expression becomes like this, given expression 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2 plus 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2. So, this equals to A minus B into A plus B, 1 minus tan square theta by 2. This into this, next this into this. So, 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square plus 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole square. We have one formula, A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is equal to 4 into A square plus B square. This we can write 4 times 1 plus tan square theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Okay. So, this 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 is actually we have, that is cos theta. Sorry, this not 4, this is, this will be 2 only, 2. So, this we can write 2 by sec theta. Sorry, this is wait. This will be 2 sec theta. So, this we can write 2 by cos theta. See, since cos inverse A by B is equal to theta, cos theta is equal to A by B. So, substitute A by B here, 2 by A by B. So, this is equal to 2 by 1 into B by A. You can expect the answer 2B by A. So, that means fourth option is the right option. Otherwise, you can do one shortcut also, method 2, put A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Okay. Now, this cos inverse A by B becomes cos inverse 1 by 2 is 60 degrees, pi by 3. That means now the given expression becomes tan of 45 plus this is pi by 3 into 1 by 2 is pi by 6, tan 75 plus this will be 45 minus 30, tan 15. So, this is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So, option is 4. So, now substitute here B value is 2, 2 by 1. So, this equal to 2, it is ruled out. A by B is 1 by 2, it is ruled out. 2A means 2 by 2, it is 1, it is ruled out. 2B by A, 2 into 2, 4 by 1, yes 4. So, this is the correct. Okay, method 1 is easy, right. Forty-eight. If 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1, then cos inverse x plus cos inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square by 2. First option 2 cos inverse x minus pi by 4. Second option 2 cos inverse x. Third option is pi by 4. Fourth option is 0. This is the question. Okay. So, now 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1 condition is given, then cos inverse x plus cos inverse of x plus root of 1 minus x square by 2. So, problem of tan of 45 plus 60 is 105. How come 75? Please check it, sir. Okay. No, that is actually 5 by 3 into 1 by 2. That is pi by 6 is 30. Dhruvamsh. solution, here put x is equal to sine theta. Let us see what do we get now. That implies theta is equal to, we have sine inverse x. Okay, you keep like this. Now this given expression becomes cos inverse of sine theta plus this is cos inverse of x is sine theta plus root of 1 minus sine square theta upon 2. Okay. Yes, cos inverse of cos inverse y also you can apply, Lakshmi garu. Yes, why not? That is cos inverse of xy minus root of 1 minus x square root of 1 minus y square, that also you can apply, right. So next this sine theta in terms of cos I will write cos inverse of this, I will write cos pi by 2 minus theta, okay, plus this is cos inverse of this is 1 by 2 sine theta and plus root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta. This is primary value, basic trigonometric identity. So this we can write 1 by 2 into cos theta. As we have cos inverse, this should be expressed in the form of cos of a plus or minus b form. That means cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So this equals to, we can write pi by 2 minus theta plus this can be written cos inverse of cos theta and 1 by 2 can be written cos 60. Cos 60 is pi by 3. This is 1 by 2 we have sin theta and 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2, okay. Wait, something mistake here, okay, right. Now of sin theta plus of cos theta you will get it, but we cannot write it. Okay. Okay, let us write it now like this. Okay, this we can write like this, 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 write down upon 2 write down. I will tell you later why should we write like this. This is pi by 2 minus theta plus cos inverse of, we have this is 1 by 2 here into cos theta, this 1 by root 2 write down cos 45 degrees, cos 45 plus this 1 by root 2 write down sin 45, sin theta sin 45, okay. But here into root 2 write down, here you will be getting root 2 times, okay. See the next step we get now. This is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So cos inverse of this is root 2 by 2 is 1 by root 2, cos of theta minus pi by 4 we can write it. Up to this step only we will get it. So, I will check the problem once again later now this question. So, it lies between 1 by root 2 and less than x, x less than 1. We cannot substitute 0. Right, I will check it later. Okay, I will check it later. This question. Given expression, second step. Second step is x is equal to sine theta plus, okay, sine theta plus cos theta by 2, right. Okay, I will do later. I will explain later this question. Forty-ninth problem. If x into 3 minus x greater than or equal to 2, then sine inverse x plus sine inverse x square plus so on sine inverse x to the power of 10 equals to, this is the question. First option pi by 2, second option is 2 pi, third option 5 pi, fourth option is 10 pi. So, this is the question. Okay, thank you, thank you. X into 3 minus x greater than or equal to 2, then sine inverse x plus sine inverse of x square plus so on sine inverse x, x to the power of 10. Here solution. Now, x into 3 minus x greater than or equal to 2. First, we need to solve this inequation now. First, let us solve it now. 3x minus x square greater than or equal to 2. Multiply minus 1 on both sides, we get x square minus 3x less than or equal to minus 2. So, now x square minus 3x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. So, now we have factorization, let us do it now. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is less than or equal to 2. X common, we have x minus 2, minus 1 common, x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. That means x minus 2 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. That means x does not lie between 1 and 2. That means x is less than or equal to 1 or x greater than or equal to 2. But actually, to define sine inverse x here, anything you remember, to define sine inverse x, x must belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1. That means you need to discard this interval. So, we need to select it. it should not be x less than 1 also, x less than 1. So, that means x equals to 1, x equals to 1 you need to take. So, when you take x is equal to 1 now, అక్కడ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. Wait, we are checking. Okay. So, now the given expression becomes, in the place of x substitute 1, sin inverse 1 plus sin inverse 1 square 1 only, plus so on, even sin inverse 1 to the power of 10 also 1. This is 10 terms we have. That means sin inverse 1 is pi by 2 plus pi by 2 and dash dash 10 terms, that is equal to 10 times pi by 2, whose value equal to 5 pi. So, third option. Question number 50. If sin inverse x plus 4 cos inverse x equals to pi, then x is equal to, first one is 1 by 2, second one is 1 by root 2, third one is root 3 by 2, fourth one is 1. So, now the sin inverse x plus 4 cos inverse x equals to pi, we need to evaluate the value of x. So, this can be actually, see, we need to write sin inverse x plus cos inverse x plus 3 cos inverse x, the whose value of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Okay, now first let us split 4 cos inverse x as cos inverse x plus 3 cos inverse x. So, this can be written sin inverse x plus cos inverse x plus 3 cos inverse x. So, now pi, it makes no difference. Now, the sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus 3 cos inverse x equals to pi. So, 3 cos inverse x equals to pi minus pi by 2. This will be again pi by 2. So, now we need to find out cos inverse x. Cos inverse x equals to pi by 2 into 1 by 3. That is equal to pi by 6. So, x we need to find out. X is equal to cos pi by 6 is 30, cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So third option is the right option. So just I will check the problem once again, right, go through it. Okay, next question number 51. 51. Question number 51. Option 3. Yes, option 3 correct only. Correct only. Okay. So weightage of the chapter means actually 1 or 2 marks, but actually it will be useful for differentiation and integration chapter also. In triangle ABC, right angled that means it a right angled triangle, right angled at C, then tan inverse of A upon B plus C plus tan inverse of B upon C plus A equals to, first option is pi by 4, second option is pi by 3, third option is pi by 6, fourth option is pi by 2. This is the problem. Okay, 45th question. I will check it. Definitely, I will check it. I will check it. Okay. In triangle ABC, right angled at C, then tan inverse of A by B plus C plus tan inverse of B by C plus A is equal to, we need to find out. So that means this can be done tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, but we need to take the help of right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, right angle is at C. Now we need to apply the Pythagoras theorem also. Simultaneously these two concepts are to be applied to solve this problem now. So let us solve it now. So first this is a triangle we have. So this is the right angle triangle. Right angle at C, say A, this B, this will be small a, this will be small b, this is small c. So we have c square is equal to a square plus b square. This is Pythagoras theorem, everybody knows. So now let us come to the problem now. The given expression we can write like this: tan inverse x plus y, that means a upon b plus c plus b upon c plus a, and upon 1 minus a by b plus c multiplied by b by c plus a. So just simplify carefully. Okay. So now this equals to tan inverse here a into c plus a and b into b plus c, ac plus a square, correct, plus b square plus bc. Here LCM will be b plus c by c plus a. Here also b plus c by c plus a, that will be gets cancelled, and upon we can write b plus c into c plus a into 1, that we can write bc plus ab plus c square plus ca, and minus into ab minus ab. Here interesting factor is, so this instead of this a square plus b square, we can substitute c square value now. So it becomes tan inverse AC plus c square plus BC upon, see here what happens now, this plus AB minus AB gets cancelled. So the remaining values need to be written. CA means AC only, plus c square plus BC. It's very interesting, both numerator and denominator are equal. So this gets cancelled, we have 1. Tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. So first option is the right option. Lakshmi garu, pi by 4. Okay. So now let us move to the next question. 52. Cos inverse a minus b upon a plus b equals to, first option 2 tan inverse b, second option 2 tan inverse root of b by a, third option is 2 tan inverse of root of a by b, fourth option we have 2 tan inverse ab by a minus b. We have the question and options. Thank you. So now the cos inverse of a minus b by a plus b. So that means options are actually 2 tan inverse b is not possible and 2 tan inverse of ab by a minus b is not possible. Either second option or third option will be our option. So that means if second or third means we need to change both numerator and denominator in the form of b by a or a by b. So that means b by a only. That means second option will be the right option. See now, I hope you will be getting same thing itself only. Here, so cos inverse of, from this to take a common, you get 1 minus b by a root of, in the denominator take out a common, 1 plus b by a. So this we will get it now, the given expression. A gets cancelled, we have cos inverse of 1 minus b by a plus 1 plus b by a. So if you observe the options, the 2 tan inverse x formula. So that means we need to just recall 2 tan inverse x formula in terms of cos inverse. That is cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. That means if for example this is x square and x square, this we can write 2 tan inverse x. That means we need to write b by a as a perfect square, b by a as a perfect square. So that means we need to write like this, cos inverse of, So 1 minus this can be written root of b by a whole square. So without changing its identity, the value will not change. 1 plus root of b by a whole square. Now just see it. It seems to be rather cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. X stands for root of b by a. This equal to 2 tan inverse x. X means root of b by a. So that means second option is the right option. Now the 53. U equals to tan inverse 1 by root of cos 2 theta minus tan inverse of root cos 2 theta. Then sin u equals to first option cot square theta, second option is sin square theta, third option is cos square theta, fourth option is tan square theta. This is the question. Okay, tan inverse 1 by root of cos 2 theta minus tan inverse of root of cos 2 theta, then you need to find out sin u. So that means this is to in the form of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, whose value can be written tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Okay, this is the plan. Okay, so now solution follows. This u equals to, we can write tan inverse of, here x, in the place of x we can write 1 by root of cos 2 theta minus y, that is root of cos 2 theta, upon we have 1 plus x means 1 by root of cos 2 theta multiplied by y is root of cos 2 theta. So this gets cancelled, we have it might be no problem. Okay, now this equals to tan inverse of, see we get 1 minus root cos 2 theta into root of cos 2 theta, that will be cos 2 theta root cos 2 theta whole square, you get cos 2 theta by, here we have 1 plus 1 is 2, this will be 2 root cos 2 theta you will be getting, and again this 1 minus cos 2 theta we have the formula, tan inverse of 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta, you can write, upon 2 root cos 2 theta. This 2 gets cancelled. We have u is equal to this one, actually u is equal to, we can write now tan u is equal to sin square theta by root of cos 2 theta. As we know the tan u, but we are not asked tan u, here we are asked sin u. Now we need to think, as we know the tan u, how can we find out sin u? So that means you need to recall, whenever the tangent of the value is given, we can find out any trigonometric ratio can be evaluated. So in the similar pattern, let us find out now sin u now, sin u. So that means let us take a triangle, okay, say this is angle u, here tan u is opposite side sin square theta plus this is root of cos 2 theta. Now we need to evaluate this one, Pythagoras theorem, sin square theta whole square, that will be sin theta power 4 plus root cos 2 theta whole square, cos 2 theta. So this we can write sin theta power 4 cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is nothing but sin square theta minus 1 whole square, but we need to find out under root. This value becomes sin square theta minus 1, okay, or you can write 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin square theta whole square also, sorry, this will be 1 minus sin square theta, okay, this is nothing but cos square theta. Now what we need to find out? Sin u. See, sin u is equal to, here opposite side by hypotenuse, sin square theta by cos square theta. Sin square theta by cos square theta equals to, how much you will be getting? Tan square theta. So which is the right option now? Fourth option is the right option. So you can try by substituting theta is equal to something 30 degrees and like that. You can, and again you need to check all the options. Only substitution method you can apply. That you can do it. So 54, A equals to tan inverse x root 3 upon 2k minus x, 2k minus x. So B equals to tan inverse 2x minus k upon k root 3. Then A minus B equals to, A minus B equals to, May 5th is the last date. Okay. First option 0 degrees, second option pi by 6, third option is pi by 4, fourth option is pi by 3. So, generally you might have seen my classes, whenever options are independent of the variable, then actually I used to apply the shortcuts here. So, that means actually if you observe, see, A is equal to tan inverse of x root 3 by 2k minus x, whereas B equals to tan inverse of 2x minus k by k root 3. Now, we can substitute x and k values here now. So, now let us substitute. Let us consider x is equal to k equals to 1. Let us see what do we get now. A equals to tan inverse of root 3 by 2k. 2k means 2 minus 1. This is tan inverse root 3. So, whose value is equal to 60 degrees, pi by 3. Am I correct? So, now the B becomes, B is equal to tan inverse 2 minus 1 by root 3. This is tan inverse root 3, sorry, tan inverse 1 upon root 3, that is 30 degrees, pi by 6. Now, we need to find out A minus B. That means we need to subtract pi by 6 from pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6. That means this is actually pi by 3 is 60 degrees, pi by 6 is 30 degrees. You get 30 degrees. 30 degrees means pi by 6 only. So, second option is the right option. Once again, please check it. Now, 55. Six times sine inverse of x square minus 6x plus 8.5 equals to pi. Then x is equal to, why we keep x is equal to 1 means generally we substitute x is equal to 1 and like that itself only. So, even if you keep x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, the actually the standard angle values will come. That is why I have selected that one. First option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option is 0. So, now 6 times sine inverse of x square minus 6x plus 8.5 is equal to pi. Then we need to find out x value. First, let us change 8.5 as a p by q form. So, 8.5 equals to 85 by 10. So, 17 by 2. Am I correct now? And again you take 6 this side. Now, this question becomes like this: sine inverse of x square minus 6x plus 17 upon 2 equal to pi by 6. Am I correct now? This 6 here, okay, pi by 6. Now, we get x square minus 6x plus 17 by 2 equal to Sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 means sine 30. That is 1 by 2. Multiply 2 on both sides. You get like this. 2x square minus 12x plus 17 equals to 1. Now you can write 2x square minus 12x plus 16 equals to 0. How did you get 16? 17 minus 1. Divide by 2. X square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. This we can write x minus 2 into x minus 4 equals to 0. We get x is equal to 2 or 4. Yes, 2 is there. Okay, right, very good. Option 2, option 2, right. So now the 56th question. 56th. For 0 less than or equal to cos inverse x less than or equal to pi and minus pi by 2 less than or equal to sine inverse x less than or equal to pi by 2. That means ranges are given. Then the value of cos of sine inverse x plus 2 cos inverse x at x is equal to 1 by 5. First option. Minus 2 root 6 upon 2. Second, minus root 6 by 5. Third, 2 root 6 by 5. Fourth option is root 6 by 5 or upon by 5. This is the problem now. So 56 is the answer, the question number 56. Okay, right. So let me check. This is the cos x domain, sorry, range. This is sin x range. We need to find out the cos of sine inverse x plus 2 cos inverse x at x is equal to 1 by 2. So that means first let us simplify this cos of sine inverse x plus 2 cos inverse x. After that replace x is equal to 1 by 2 so that we get a numerical value here. So now I would like to split 2 cos inverse x as cos inverse x plus cos inverse x. Can I write it now? So that means this becomes cos of sine inverse x plus cos inverse x, okay, plus cos inverse x. This I will write like this. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. That is cos of pi by 2 plus cos inverse x. So here one interesting fact need to be remembered. Cos 90 degrees plus a is minus sin a. Am I correct now? That's why we can write this is minus sin of cos inverse x. Again this cos inverse x is equal to, we can write pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. Okay. No, this is wrong. Wait. I will check it now. So better you can do like this, no problem. So now let us say this is cos inverse x is equal to theta. This will be cos theta is equal to x. This becomes minus sin theta. So this sin theta we can write minus root of 1 minus x square. So now in the place of x 1 by 5 write down. This equal to minus 1 minus 1 by 25 root, that is minus root 24 by 25. So 24 that we can write minus root of 4 into 6, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 4 is 2, minus 2 root 6 upon 5. So first option is the right option. Next 57th question. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y plus sine inverse z equals to 3 pi by 2. Then x to the power of 100 plus y to the power of 100 plus z to the power of 100 minus 9 upon x to the power of 101 plus y to the power of 101 plus z to the power of 101 equals to, this is the question. So first option is 0, second option is 1, third option is 2, fourth option is 3. So this is the question. See, don't worry Ramakrishna, I will come to the problem, I will repeat it, don't worry. After completion of this problem, first concentrate on this problem. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y plus sine inverse z is equal to 3 pi by 2. Then we need to find out this value. So that means first this 3 pi by 2 can be written as, so my plan is pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. That means here each of the value is pi by 2. Then we can find out x, y, z values, then we can substitute. So that means, so let us apply my plan. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y plus sine inverse z equals to 3 pi by 2 can be written as pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Comparing both sides, so this is pi by 2, this is also pi by 2, and whereas this is also pi by 2. So that means now we get like this: sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse y equals to sine inverse z equals to each equal to pi by 2. That means x equal to y equal to z equal to sine pi by 2 is 1. Now the given expression value we need to find out this value. So now the given expression becomes 1 to the power of 100 1 plus 1 to the power of 100 1 plus 1 to the power of 100 1 minus 9 by 1 to the power of 101 1 1 to the power of 101 1 1 to the power of 101 1 3 minus 9 by 3, that is 3 minus 3, so 0. That means first option is the right option. Okay, I hope you might understand this problem. So these kind of problems should be dealt like this only, otherwise it becomes very lengthy. Whenever these kind of problems are there, you need to do like this only. So as Ramakrishna requested me, I explain this problem once again. See, this sine inverse x plus 2 cos inverse x I have written, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x plus cos inverse x. This value is pi by 2 plus cos inverse x. This is cos 90 plus a is minus sin a. So minus sine of cos inverse x. Let us say this cos inverse x is equal to theta, cos theta is equal to x. So as cos theta is equal to x, we have formula sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So as cos theta is equal to x, 1 minus x square, sin theta means root of 1 minus x square. Now put x is equal to 1 by 5 minus root of 1 minus 1 by 5 whole square is equal to 1 by 25, that is root 24 by 25. 24 I have written 4 into 6, square root of 4 is 2, root 6, and square root of this 25 is 5. So minus 2 root 6 by 5. First option is the right option. Okay. Sir, simply Chalma Shastri Garu, sir, simply we shall not take x, y, z equal to 1. You can take it, because this is a live class. I need to explain to so that everybody will understand. How could understand how you are suffering with your aspect? Yes, 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 yes. There's a lot of problem is there. I am not able to see. Fifty-seven. Okay. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y plus sine inverse z equals to 3 pi by 2. Same question. Now directly we can take Chalma Shastri Garu. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. Already we have done. That's why. So now we can apply. So this is 58th question. See, you are so alert. So 58. Okay. Then sigma x to the power of 201 plus y to the power of 201 upon x to the power of 603 plus y to the power of 603. So multiplied by this x to the power of 402 So, multiplied by x to the power of 402 plus y to the power of 402 upon x to the power of 804 plus y to the power of 804. This is the question. Okay, it might be, no problem, no problem. Let it be continued. So, first one is 0, second one is 1, third one is 2, fourth one is 3. Okay, now directly we can apply here. So, once again I shall go for the previous problem. See, whenever sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse z is equal to pi by 2. So, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. So, let us come to this problem now. Here solution, here hint is using this concept, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. Now, sigma 1 to the power of 2001, 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 into, see, 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. This is sigma 2 by 2, 1 into 1, sigma 1. I will explain you. Sigma a means only up to 3 terms only applicable, a plus b plus c. As it is constant, sigma 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 need to be written. That is 3. So, fourth option is the right option. Okay, now 59. The number of solutions of the equation 2 sin inverse x square minus 5 into sin inverse x plus 2 equals to 0 is first option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option is 3. This is the question. Okay. So, now the number of solutions of the equation 2 sin inverse x whole square minus 5 sin inverse x plus 2 equals to 0. So, number of solutions we need to find out. So, that means actually you remember, so the domain of sin inverse x function is domain of this function equals to minus 1 comma 1. Am I correct now? So, that means this x should lie in between this interval. So, that means just we need to solve the quadratic equation, that is all. That means first of all let us introduce the new variable. Let us say the sin inverse x is equal to something k or theta or anything you can write it. Now, it becomes 2k square minus 5k plus 2 equals to 0. So, factorization 2k square minus 4k minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. So, now 2k has been taken common out, we have k minus 2, minus 1 common, we have k minus 2 is equal to 0. Again k minus 2 having been taken common out, we have 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. We get k is equal to 2 and k is equal to 1 by 2. Am I correct now? This k is equal to 2 is not possible. So, k is equal to 1 by 2. That means only one solution, number of solutions is equal to. Number of solutions is equal to only 1. That means second option. Sin inverse x is equal to 1 by 2 means x is equal to, you get solution 30 degrees. Cos inverse 41 by 49 upon sin inverse 2 by 7 equals to 30 and 150, but actually x belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, theta belongs to. Okay. Sin inverse x lies between minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So, pi by 2 180. Right. So, next first option is 4, second option is 3, third option is 2, fourth option is 1. This is the question. Cos inverse 41 by 49 upon cos inverse 41 by 49 sin inverse 2 by 7. So, I need to check it 45th question, then tomorrow I will or today night I will explain that problem, because I need to work it out. Okay, right. So, this question actually we need to observe the options. The options will give us the idea to crack this problem. If you see the options, first option is 4, second option is 3, third option is 2, fourth option is 1. So, that means if the first option is 4, for example, this cos inverse 41 by 49 should be equal to 4 sin inverse 2 by 7. That is all. Understood now? Then only we get fourth option. For example, if you want to get second option, this cos inverse of 41 by 49 should be equal to 3 sin inverse of 2 by 7. Because if you write in the place of cos inverse 41 by 49, if you substitute 4 sin inverse 2 by 7, sin inverse 2 by 7, sin inverse 2 by 7 will get cancelled, you get 4. If you want to get third option, this cos inverse of 41 by 49 should be equal to 2 sin inverse of 2 by 7. Fourth option, for example 1, the cos inverse of 41 by 49 should be equal to sin inverse 2 by 7. but it can't be. So fourth one is ruled out. Fourth one is ruled out. So that means first of all, now in reverse order let us go. Let us find out first 2 sin inverse 2 by 7. If it is equal to cos inverse of 41 by 49, third option is the right option. So now we have one formula, 2 sin inverse x equals to 2 sin inverse x equal to we need to write in terms of cos now. Okay. Cos inverse of we can write like this, root of 1 minus x square, 1 minus, okay, 1 minus 2x square, let us write now, right. So now 2 sin inverse 2 by 7, let us find out now. This will be cos inverse of 1 minus 2 into x square. X square is 4 by 49. Okay. Cos inverse of this will be 49 is the LCM. 49 minus 8. This will be, sorry, not root is there. Directly we can write. Okay. So sorry, 2 sin inverse x equals to cos inverse of 1 minus 2 x square. So that means the 2 sin inverse 2 of sin inverse 2 by 7 equals to cos inverse of 1 minus 2 into 4 by 49. That will be 49 minus 8. So this equal to cos inverse 41 by 49. So that means here it's clear that third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. #61 question. If actually the previous question seems to be simple, but that's not simple. It based on concept. If x1, x2, x3 are the roots of x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equals to 0, then cot inverse of x1 plus cot inverse of x2 plus cot inverse of x3 equals to how much? Okay. First option is 0, second option pi by 2, third option pi, fourth option is 3 pi by 2. So any of the viewers, please give our WhatsApp number. I think they will be waiting. So I will send the link to them directly. Now I am not unable to send through chat now. Anybody? So now x1, x2, x3 are the roots of this cubic equation. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then we need to find out cot inverse of x1 plus cot inverse of x2 plus cot inverse of x3. Okay. So first as x1, x2, x3 are the roots of this equation, first we need to find out x1, x2, x3 values. So that means here given cubic equation is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. So now sum of the coefficients find out. Sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients is equal to x cube coefficient 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. That is 12 minus 12, 0. Since sum of the coefficients is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1 is a one root, is one of the roots. One of the roots. Say x1 is equal to 1. Now you need to find out x2, x3. You know synthetic division method. So let us apply that method now. 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. First substitute 1. Here x1 is equal to 1. 0 starting 1, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 minus 5, minus 5 into 1 plus, minus 5, you will be getting plus 6 and minus plus 6 into plus 1 plus 6, here 0. Now from this we get actually that is depressed equation, that is called depressed equation or condensed equation, we shall get it now. So now we get this is a x square coefficient, this is x coefficient, this is the constant term. We get the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. These factors are x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So that means we get x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So that means now we have already one of the roots is x1 is equal to 1, say x2 is equal to 2 and x3 is equal to 3. Say now the given expression, we need to find out cot inverse x1 plus cot inverse x2 plus cot inverse x3 we need to find out. Thank you. So now cot inverse 1 plus this is cot inverse 2 plus cot inverse 3. See, we have cot inverse x is equal to, is also same as tan inverse 1 by x. So cot inverse 1 we can write tan inverse 1 or pi by 4, this is we can write it, but this can be written tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Already we have studied tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 is also pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 45 plus 45 is 90, pi by 2 is our answer. Second option is the right option. This problem is actually linked with the theory of equations to the inverse trigonometric function. So you remember this is very important, this is pi by 4. So whereas tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 equal to 3 pi by 4, you remember this one also, this also very important, or cot inverse 1 tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Okay, one of the viewer is asking that actually, so I kept him aside. So if he forwards his ID, so that I once again I will check it through it. Surya Prakash, I will explain later. Thank you, thank you. So thank you one and all. Bye bye. See you. Okay, I hope you need to practice it. So tomorrow I am going to start new chapter in trigonometry part.